Ever wonder how some travelers breeze through airport security while the rest of us wait in long lines? It turns out seniors have figured out some surprising hacks that make going through security faster and maybe even smarter than you think. In this video, we're breaking down how seniors are skipping airport security and why you might be missing out. Stick around till the end because it's about to reveal a secret that can change the way you travel. And don't forget to subscribe before we dive in. Number 10. Trusted Traveler Programs. One of the biggest ways seniors are skipping airport security is by using trusted traveler programs like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, and Clear. These programs let you skip the long lines, avoid taking off your shoes, and breeze through the screening with less hassle. Seniors often qualify for these programs or simply take advantage of them because they travel frequently for vacations, family visits, or medical appointments. Enrolling is easier than you think and can seriously cut down the time you're waiting at checkpoints. Imagine arriving at the airport, heading straight to the faster line, and getting to your gate without breaking a sweat. For anyone who flies or wants to feel like a pro traveler, signing up for these programs can completely change the way you move through airports. Number 9. Mobility aids and medical devices. Ever wonder how some travelers skip through security lines without even trying? Many seniors are using mobility aids like scooters, walkers, or canes, not just for comfort, but to access priority lines. Airports often offer expedited screening for passengers with medical needs, helping them move faster through security. Some seniors also use documented medical exemptions to avoid full pat-downs or screenings altogether. Now here's where it gets tricky. While these accommodations are there to assist those who genuinely need them, some people exploit the system to gain an unfair advantage. It's a fine line between using what's available and abusing it. But for some seniors, it's simply about preserving their dignity and making travel less stressful. So what is this all about? Traveling smart means knowing your rights and using them responsibly. Number 8. Quiet flight times. Want to know a simple trick to skip the chaos at airport security? Many seniors travel during off-peak hours. Think super early mornings or late evenings when airports are quieter and the lines are shorter. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. With fewer travelers, you can breeze through check-in and security without the usual stress or delays. Plus, flights at these times are often less crowded, making for a more comfortable experience overall. If you've always stuck to normal schedules, it might be time to shake things up. Try booking flights at odd hours. You'll save time, avoid crowds, and maybe even score better deals. So next time you plan a trip, ask yourself, are you traveling when it's easiest? Seniors already figured this out. You're just catching up. Number 7. Knowledge of rules. Ever feel like some travelers breeze through security while you're stuck juggling bags and shoes? That's because seniors often have decades of flying experience, and they know exactly how to play the rules to speed things up. From packing liquids in right-sized containers to wearing slip-on shoes that are easier to remove, they've mastered the art of hassle-free travel. They also come prepared with documents like IDs and boarding passes, ready to go, cutting down delays. Younger travelers don't have to struggle. They can learn from these pros. A little planning goes a long way when it comes to airport security. So next time you pack, ask yourself, are you making it harder or smarter? Traveling like a senior might just be the upgrade you need. Number 6. Frequent flyer status. Here's a secret many seniors already know. Airlines love their loyal travelers. After years of flying, seniors rack up miles and elite status that come with many amazing perks, like priority boarding, access to faster security lines, and even lounge access. It's like being treated like a VIP every time you fly. These benefits aren't just for celebrities or business moguls. Anyone who travels regularly can take advantage of them. If you're not already part of a loyalty program, it's time to check it out. Signing up is usually free, and once you start earning miles, you'll wonder why you waited so long. So next time you book a flight, don't overlook these rewards. They can save you time, hassle, and even money while making your airport experience smoother and more enjoyable. So what do you think about it? Number 5. Social interactions. Here's something you might not expect. Being polite can actually get you through airport security faster. Seniors often excel at this, using patience, friendly conversation, and small gestures to build rapport with staff. A simple thank you or asking questions politely can go a long way, and many travelers have stories of airport officers bending rules just a little for those who treat them with respect. It's not about manipulation, it's about empathy and proactive communication. Treating staff like humans rather than hurdles can make the process smoother for everyone. Younger travelers can learn a lot from this approach. So next time you're in line, remember, a smile, patience, and a little kindness might be your fastest ticket through security. Are you a person similar to this? Number 4, paperwork preparedness. Ever wonder how some travelers breeze through document checks while others fumble endlessly? Seniors often have this mastered. They come to the counter with passport, ID, and boarding pass all ready, never scrambling last minute. Years of experience teach them that being organized is the fastest way through security. Many even carry both hard copies and digital backups on their phones, so nothing slows them down. Younger travelers need to take a page from this playbook, organize their travel documents before they even leave home. A simple folder or travel app can save minutes, reduce stress, and make you look like a seasoned pro. When it comes to airport security, preparation isn't just smart, it's a secret shortcut seniors have been using for decades. Number 3, medical exemptions and assistance requests. Did you know some travelers can actually get a gentler, faster security process thanks to their health? Seniors often take advantage of medical exemptions or assistance requests to allow them to use specialized lanes or skip certain screenings. Conditions like mobility issues, recent surgeries, or chronic illnesses may qualify. But here's the key: honesty and proper documentation are crucial. Trying to fake it can backfire, but legitimate requests are fully supported by airport authorities. If you qualify, simply provide medical documentation ahead of time and ask for assistance at check-in or security. This not only makes travel easier, but also ensures safety for everyone. Learning how to navigate these options responsibly is a secret seniors have mastered, something every traveler can benefit from. Number 2, dressing for efficiency. Want to move through airport security like a pro? Seniors have a simple trick: dress for efficiency. Loose clothing, slip-on shoes, and minimal accessories might sound basic, but they make a huge difference at checkpoints. No belts to remove, no complicated shoes to untie, and fewer items to scan separately. This saves precious minutes and keeps lines moving. Seasoned travelers know that comfort and practicality go hand in hand, so they often plan outfits specifically for travel days. Younger travelers can take note. Experimenting with comfort-driven packing and smart attire isn't just about feeling good. It's a secret strategy to breeze through security without stress. The right outfit can be your invincible ticket to a faster, smoother airport experience. Number 1, confidence and calmness. Here's the ultimate secret seniors use to skip airport chaos: confidence and calmness. While anxiety can make anyone fumble with documents, struggle through lines, or panic over unexpected delays, seniors often glide through with a composed demeanor. Confidence allows them to ask for directions, request assistance, and handle surprises smoothly, turning stressful moments into minor hiccups. Now, what's the good news? You can train yourself to do the same. Simple strategies like mindful breathing, preparing documents in advance, and visualizing a smooth journey can boost your confidence instantly. Staying calm not only speeds up your security process, but also makes the entire travel experience far less stressful. Emulate this senior trick, and you'll notice how much easier and even enjoyable airport travel can become. And here we're coming to an end. The only thing is that airport security isn't just about following rules. It's a game of strategy, preparation, and mindset. That's exactly why seniors often breeze through, and why knowing their tricks can make a huge difference for you. From trusted traveler programs to dressing smart, staying calm, and knowing the rules, these tips can transform the way you travel. So what's the one trick that you're going to try in your next trip? Comment below, we'd love to hear. And if you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Don't miss out on more travel secrets that can make every journey smoother and smarter.